friends. So I got a new toy. It's big, powerful, beautiful, and very orange. I can wait to show it to you. Come on, let's go.
Well, this is going great. I had the tractor for about 30 minutes and I already hit something.
And what do you think? Not bad, huh? My Kubota LX.
I feel like I'm one of those Price is Right models right now. Just bear with me. I'm just really happy I got a tractor.
Yes, that much excited I am. It's just been a long time dream of mine. Ooh, this is nice. Yes, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. And of course, I had to get a backhoe.
And this is actually my first time operating a backhoe, so let's see how that goes. So far, it doesn't seem too hard. But I'm sure it's gonna take some time getting used to it.
All right, let's jump right into it. That holder was stuck for the piping, for the water spigot, and the shower. Needs to be closed, so let's try to use the tractor for it. Well, that's not going too well, but also not too bad. I guess it's better than using the shovel for everything, is it? That's definitely gonna take some time to get really good with the tractor. But it did save me some time in the end. The rest I'm just gonna do a hand.
Now remember that lawnmower that I found in the bushes? Well, I think it would be the perfect job for my tractor. But before, let me cut some of those branches away so I have a better access.
Also, rest be assured, since the video I purchased some more safety equipment. I'm the proud owner of a foresty safety helmet now. I thought you would like to know. This pile is steadily growing, and I can't stop thinking that I'm actually building a habitat for even more critters to move in. You know what that screams for. A wood chipper. Yeah, I don't have one of those yet, but that's definitely on my wish list. Any recommendations on a budget-friendly brand? Timber. That makes me think. What about Timber and Bikini Ranch for the name of my farm? Would you like that? Alright, that should be about enough cleaning up.
I think the forklift attachment will be perfect to get a lawnmower out. So apparently you can't get up while the tractor is moving. That will kill the engine. Just learn something new again. So let's try to do that without seeing anything. Yeah, that's just total trash. There's nothing you can do with this thing. Any takers? But at least we got it out, and yeah, it left some space here. Now let's just bring it to the dump and clean out the rest of the area. Now my woodworking crafting mind is going crazy again. What can I build out of this piece of wood? Well, I'm definitely gonna keep that one.
This is one pile of wood. I can barely reach the top anymore. Wiggle, wiggle. Well, at least the tree/bush is gone, and now it's time for a well-deserved break.
Now all that's left to do is to cut the grass. And of course I'm gonna use my bad boy for that. This grass is even too high for the bad boy. So I gotta go in with the hoe. The hand hoe, that is. I'm wondering, can I use the pole saw to cut the grass? Let's give it a try.
Nah, and look what I just found.
Genius idea for the moment.
So the pulse idea worked, however the grass gets tangled up in the blade and fills up the housing. So maybe it's not the best idea to use it, but it did the job. So let's get back to the lawnmower and finish up the rest.
And of course I have to stop yet again because I found more trash. Surprise, surprise. Oh my, there's literally 2 more under here. Yeah, I spare you how I got those out. And fast forward, it's all nice and clean. This exact spot will be where my shower is going to be. You will be surprised of the transformation. Next video, we're finally going to start building. I know, we all have been waiting for this. See you next Friday. Tschüss!